Cam. Hello. That didn't keep you out for long, did it? Alright, you want to go back there? You can. Go ahead.